we're going to the Jacksonville because I have an appointment for my, my tooth. It was broken, so they need to pull it out. So gonna fix that.
Get some antibiotics.
So how are you, Marky, over there? You okay? So you're done your appointment, your eyes, so you need to
We're gonna have some glasses.
some glasses. Where you wear me too soon. I can wearing sunglasses hard to
Yeah, they
wear.
asked about you, and I said, well, she wears green glasses like if she's reading on the computer on her
Yeah.
phone. That's what I said. But the doctor was nice.
Yeah. What is
She was
it?
an older lady,
Oh yeah.
older white lady. She was nice. Dr. Cat. That's
Yeah. Yeah, see you a little bit again. We're gonna go grab our lunch. For our lunch while Ricky, my husband, driving.
Yeah.
Alright, see you there. Bye for now.
Please subscribe.
Thank you guys again. So we're closer to Jacksonville. It's raining. It's raining here in Jacksonville, but in New Bern it doesn't. It does not rain there. So sometimes it's weird. It's same place, but the city some is raining. So it was raining. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, we are here right now. We are here now. This is Jacksonville now. So guys, we talking about before like we are still iffy, but maybe just we're gonna keep for right now. But there's
Trying to steal our truck.
yeah, they're trying to steal our truck. They're trying to pay
Very low.
very low. So much better we just keep it right now. But it's okay. We have another what's that called?
Another vehicle on the way. Hopefully.
We have a vehicle on the way
Your sister-in-law.
from my sister-in-law. So
A Hyundai Sonata.
yeah, a Hyundai
2005.
Sonata 2005.
Rebuilt new engine.
Yeah, they are rebuilt new engine. So
New
that's
tires.
yeah, new
New
tire.
radiator.
Oh yeah, that's cool. So yeah, it's helped us. So I know, guys, you guys. I don't know how to drive yet, but my husband, he said that he trying to help me how to drive. So
Teach you in the country.
yeah, he teach me in the country. Yeah. So all right, guys, we're here now in New Bern, though.
Jacksonville.
Oh, Jacksonville. Oh my goodness. Before, we still have time. We still have time. So we're gonna go ahead and
Try to get some lunch, hopefully.
yeah,
Quick bite to eat.
grab our lunch and quick eat.
Got my lunch.
Yes. All right, guys. See you again later. Bye bye for right now. Mwah. We're back, guys. Right now it was raining here. Very bad rain. Heavy rain. It's like storm. Look at that there. Be careful, my love. Marky, you okay? Yeah, it's heavy rain. If raining in here, it's heavy rain. Look at that, see? Yeah. It's heavy rain. Yeah, it's very dangerous if you driving like heavy rain like that. Yeah. So alright guys, now we're done eating our lunch. We're going now to my dental appointment. Alright guys, well, bye for right now. Thank you guys for like and subscribe our channel, the Branches Family. Hello guys, welcome back again. Well, we're headed back to New Bern now. I'm done my tooth pulling out, so it's kind of hard to talk. Yeah, but I'm so hello guys. So we're just back from my appointment from Jacksonville. So thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from the Bragens family. Thank you, thank you guys. Love, love.
Are you done subscribing?
And I know my throat is still numbing here.
And I got
I
a
can't
leaf
feel.
Wait,
So
here?
keep up
Here?
and good. Yeah.
Here.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. And also I got a leaf tooth
You
here.
got two. Alright guys. Thank you. How about you, Mark? What are you gonna say? Come here. What you gonna say? Oh. What you gonna say? What are you gonna say?
Please like and subscribe.
Yes. Based on the research we did, we figure we can get what we want for $150,000.
The Brages family. Bye guys.